Wildfires explode in Los Angeles.
Apocalyptic scene playing out in the Palisades fire has now scorched an area larger than Manhattan.
Now proved to be a lifeline for LA residents to get information on the wildfires.
It's called Watch Duty, and it now serves millions of users.
LA's 88 different cities, and they're all publishing different information, and so it's a full-time operation of essentially real-time fact-checking. This is the point of Watch Duty. We initiate our own emergency action plans.
I was in our command and control center, and there was just so many things going on, so many decision points. You really get concerned for the communities there, and you really start to try to find ways to get creative, and everybody wanted to unify, but they were also looking for information. And that's where Watch Duty really comes into play.
I wake up and I'm having coffee before the crews are checking in, before the helos are in the air. Working on the Los Angeles wildfires really highlighted to me the gap that's being filled by the Watch Duty organization. It was mind-blowing to see the amount of information that is compiled and analyzed and crunched down into digestible bites. There were a lot of sleepless nights for the team at Watch Duty to ensure the information was getting sent out.
We knew it was going to be extraordinarily bad the minute you heard that radio traffic.
I use that as a fuel.
You didn't have much time to think about it because it's just happening. We just go into response mode, and that's what we're built for.
At Watch Duty, every single person is called to serve.
The team really held together and supported each other during this time.